Okay, so here's a quick little video of me going through some of the problems for section 5.2. So again, the key with the centroid is the longer seconds, you've got the whole median. That's the whole. From the vertex to centroid is 2/3 or double the small. And then you have from the centroid to midpoint, which is 1/3, which is half long. Okay, sorry, that kind of slipped off the screen there, didn't it? So you kind of have those little clues there. So here's what I always do. Before I do anything, I figure out what I know from what's given. So for instance, like I know UK is 12. Well, UK is the short one because it goes from centroid to the midpoint because they told us U is the centroid. Well, if this is 12, double it to get the big one. 24. So CU is 24, but that also means then that CK is 24 plus 12, which is 36. Okay. So that's for CK. Yep, there we go, 36. Now UD. I know UD is 9, but that's from the vertex to the centroid, so that's the bigger one. It's double the small. So I'll go half as big to find JU. Well, half of 9 is 4.5. That also means then that JD is 4.5 plus 9, so 13.5. So they asked JU is 4.5. They also asked for JD, which is 13.5 there. Okay. So now the only thing I have to figure out then is what in the heck is MU and EU? Well, here's the deal. This is the whole, okay, the median is, which is what I've got. Tell me the EM, the whole thing is 21. Well, this guy's 2/3, this guy's 1/3. So I'm just going to cut actually that 21 into thirds and get 7. That's 1/3. So the short one is 7. Double it, the long one is 14. And I get my 7 to 14, which is 1/3 to 2/3 ratio. So let's see which the larger one is. Oh, the larger one's EU. So that one's 14. The shorter one's UM, or MU. So that one's 7. So MU is 7, EU is 14. Okay. So once you know that trick, these are actually really quick and easy to do. So we'll do another one real quick. Okay. This case I know CP is 30. I know EP is 18. And I know BF, the whole length, is 39. So again, C from C to P, oh, P is the centroid because of all the medians. C to P is 30, so half of that is 15. From I know EP is the short one. Well, I got to double it to get AP, so that one is 36. And then again, I know BF is 39. Well, 39 divided by 3 is 13. So the short one is 13. The long one is double that at 26. And I can just fill all my side lengths in. What's PD? Well, PD was 15. What's FP? FP was 13. What's BP? BP was 26. CD, it's the full one, so 15 plus 30 is 45. PA is the longer one, 36. And then EA is 18 plus 36, so that's going to be 54. Okay. So again, super duper fast to do once you figure out the 1/2 to 2, or the 2/3, 1/3, or double the half little ratio. Bigger thing is just memorizing it. Now the other thing we did from this section that you have to do is you have to be able to construct the centroid, which actually is really easy to do as long as you're careful. I'm looking for my ruler over here and I don't know what I do with it. Well, either way. So plot points out. So I'm going to plot the points of 3, 1. So over 3 up 1. That's I. Over 6 up 3. J. Over 3 up 5. That's K. So I, J, K. That's the triangle. Now what I'd really like to do is figure out the midpoints. So I do the midpoint of IJ. Well, it's x plus x over y plus y, or x plus x over 2, y plus y over 2. Oh, it's 3 plus 6. Come on, Mr. Moore. And then 1 plus 3. That's 9 over 2, so 4.5, comma 4 over 2, which is 2. So 4.5, comma 2. So here's over 4.5. up to right there. And then from K to that guy, which that's what I'm looking for. Where did my ruler go? My desk, I left it. Dang it. Do I have anything straight enough to do that with? Not really, so we'll just eyeball it. Right there. Okay. Now, the next one is JK. So JK's midpoint is 6 plus 3 over 2. And then 3 plus 5 over 2. Which is a 9 over 2, which is again 4.5. And then 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4. So over 4.5 up 4, which puts us right there. And then connect those. And I can tell you that one's right there. So connect those. So what I'm seeing it looks like for my midpoint is 4, 3. So my centroid is 4, 3. Okay. And then do the same thing for H, U, and P. Okay. All right, so I think that takes care of this one. All right, again, if you have any questions, anything doesn't make sense, come on in, we'll go over it together. Thanks.